looking at her? Are you watching your drink? Hey, I sell trucks. Gonna chip out the trunk next to me, okay? Hello, my boss. I'm Jerry. Look, we just got a affordable 9.6 meters long weighing box trunk. Let me show you. Wow, it's so new. Supernatural. Supernatural. Wow, it's a chair. It's super new. 60 speed automatic transmission. I like this speed. It's so new. Wow. 40,000 kilometers. Wow. Chuck tablet. Let's music, okay?
Space.
What are you doing?
I'm playing dance.
Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Have some water.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Drink up. Drink up.
Longfu Spring, it's really strong. I like them. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, my bosses. Look, a treated to send a truck how we box truck. Look, the power is by my 460 horsepower engine. The truck is super affordable. Only $31,000. You
Hello,
like my
brother. Hello, brother. Hello, brother.
Hey, brother.
Help me out. Help me out.
What's wrong?
Look.
Look.
Got new wrong shoes.
哎，我的手是，手是，哎，I got idea. I got idea.
Wow.
Look, are you okay?
Okay.
So easy,
brother.
So easy. Goodbye. Oh my god. Hello, my bosses. Like my trucks, hit me up. I'm Jerry. 恭喜发财。